you can't use cash. Let me wait. You want us to wait? Yeah. That's not bad for all that meat. Other way. There we go. Girl, we paid for our stuff. Thank you. This is your baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Green.
I'm putting these in my noodles. One.
So, hey guys, tonight I am making pho. No, I'm getting ready to make some pho. So let me tell y'all what I got. So I'm getting ready to start my meat. I've been cleaning the meat. I'm just letting it sit on this. I rinsed it like 1,000 times, but this is the meat that we got. So we got pig feet. We got the pig feet, we got neck bones, we got the short ribs, and yeah, so pig feet, short ribs, and neck bones. So this is the meat. You want to clean your meat, make sure your meat is nice and clean it down real good and all that good stuff. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, y'all, so our broth is done, our meat is done, we got our neck bones, we got the pig feet, we got the short ribs. So let's make the plates. Okay, y'all, so now I'm fixing the plates. I'm gonna take a pig feet. I'm gonna do what is this?
You ever put the smoked turkey necks in there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. That's a piece of a turkey neck.
I'll take another pig foot. Then I'm gonna do a neck bone. It's got a neck bone and a short rib. Got the short rib. Okay, that's my meat. So So now let's move up. What is this called? Bushwalk?
Bucha or something? No, no, no.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, I forgot what this called.
It's like cabbage. Some type of cabbage.
Yeah, some green onion. Some Brussels sprouts. Get the whole bowl? Yeah. Okay. Got some Brussels sprouts. Then we're gonna put our egg right here on top. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little chili oil right there.
Oh, chili sauce.
Chili sauce. A few more green onion. Then we're gonna go back to the bowl. And we're gonna add in our broth. Is my thumb in the way?
No. You like your mine?
So then I'm gonna go in with some
That's enough, Mom.
sriracha. Hold on, stay right there. Chopsticks. Okay, stop. Hey guys, so yeah, this was just a quick video on me making the pho. I didn't really show all the steps or whatever like that, but if you want to see like a more in-depth video, all you got to do is let me know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and let me know, and I can give you a more in-depth video on how I made the pho. But basically just like a recap. So as you seen in the beginning of the video, I went to the store, I purchased all my ingredients, my meats, and all my things I wanted to go in my pho. And when I came back, I cleaned my meat. Make sure you clean your meat really good. I rinsed it numerous of times, and then I did 3 boils where I bring the water, bring the meat to a boil, and then I pour. You'll see all that like ick stuff come to the top, and I pour that off, and then I rinse it again, and then I bring it to a boil again, pour it all off, because you'll see it'll come right back up again. And I do that, and then I do it one last time. But the third time I don't do it as long, because really it's really not too much. It's good by then. So then once I get my fresh boiled, basically the fresh boiled water on, I began to season it, and I used like I did garlic, I did garlic pepper, I did beef. I think it's beef bouillon. I did, let me see, what else I used? Oh my God, pepper. You know, your normal season. So basically, season your meat, your broth to your liking, because the broth that's gonna be that's your base, that's your broth for your pho. So you want to make sure you season it really good to your liking or whatever like that, because that's like a big part of the pho. So I did that, and then I could not find the pho noodles in my local store that was near me. So what I did is I used, I got a pack of angel hair. Is it angel hair? Yeah, angel hair. I think it's angel hair noodles. I got those because they're very thin. So that actually worked out perfect, and it was cheaper that way too. So I got my noodles, I boiled them, and then I let my meat, I let that boil for about maybe, I'm going to say about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Actually, I could have. I think I went maybe 4 hours, but I really could have did 3 because the meat was very tender, which was good. But I could have stopped it a little sooner. So yeah, I did that, and then basically you just put it all together, and then you have, your pho. So, and you can use the meat of your choice. Those are just the meats that I want to use. Um, I was really mad that I wasn't able to get oxtails, but that's what I'll do next time. I'm gonna do like a oxtail pho, and yeah. So that's that. I just want to give y'all like a real quick recap on a lot of the steps that you did not see or whatever. So like I said, if you want to see step by step, let me know and I'll do another video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.